video that you will ever see that will tell you real strategies on how to get sharpest entries trading boom and crash. With this strategy, you will never lose money in the market again. Why will I say that you will never lose money in the market? Because with this strategy you get sharpest entry, because most things that people don't know is what makes them to lose money in the market. Okay, so but in this video I'm going to teach you, I'm going to show you, I'm going to guide you how you are going to make consistent profits, trading boom and crash. Okay, first of all, you need to understand what is called retracement. You need to understand. So when the price begin to retrace, when the price begin to change direction or return to its former direction, those are the key points that you need to know. So in this video I'm going to be showing you all these things, okay, so that you can know where you will make sharpest entries. An entry where you don't need to have a drawdown, or you don't need to have a pullback. When the market has begun to reverse, or when the market has begun to retrace, then you take your trade. Okay, so I want you to watch this video from the beginning to the end, because in between the seconds, in between the lines, I'm going to be pointing out several tricks and several strategy, the main thing that you need to know trading boom and crash. So right now, as you can see from the screen, this is boom 500 that we are tracing, and right there you can see that we have I think $2. We are starting with $2. So just as I was saying, this is boom 500 and the trade has already been taken. Okay, and this is an uptrend, as I'm saying. Now, how do I get that straight line there, the one you see at the top, the one I'm pointing there? Yes, I measured it with a strategy, because when you look at this and study the pattern, you see it's a rally base and rally. Okay, but just in case you don't understand what I'm talking about, don't worry. Okay, just listen to this, watch this video, listen to every bit, don't skip it, because in between the points I'm going to be saying a lot. Okay, so we started with $2 and we already have $3 profits in this, because we took what? Sharpest sniper entries. Okay, so now I'm going to explain to you, and with this strategy you'll be able to grow any account and you will never be losing money in the market. As small as $50 you can trade it. Yes, you can trade it and you can raise it and flip it to bigger money in forex. Okay, so for those of you who are just watching this video, just meeting this video, please, I would like you to subscribe and then watch this video very well. If you have any question at the comment section, I want you to drop your question, because I'm going to be answering your question. I'll get back to you, and I also want you to turn on notification bells, then check my description page for contacts on how you can get to me, because I have a whole lot of things to make your journey in forex trading be more profitable. Okay, so let's dive in for a moment. Now we already have $7 right there profits, all the way from $2. Okay, so you can see the trade is still going uptrend, and one thing you need to know is tailing your profit or locking up your profit, because that's what I was doing. When I move some distance in profit, I have to lock it up by raising my stop loss upwards. Okay, and I already have my take profit. Now we have $9, as you can see. Yes, we have $9 right there. Already have equity of 12. Okay, so let's go back to the chart and see now the next thing. Okay, you can see it's still going upwards, and my TP. Now the major thing that you need to understand here is how to locate a retracement or a reversal. So a lot of time the reason why traders lose is because they don't know when the market reverse. Now there are several how method to know how it reverses, because at times you know how it reverses through candlesticks. Yes, candlesticks, there are signs it will show you, and apart from candlesticks, you can also use the Fibonacci tool to know when the market will retrace or when the market will reverse. Then, but in this video, just watch it. I'm going to show you how the strategy, the simple strategy that I normally use, knowing what when the market reverse. Because one secret with trading is once you can master market reversal, you're able to take sharpest sniper entries, yes, into trading, buying, or into trading selling, whichever way